Okay, if a is equal 1, y minus 1, b vector is equal 3, y plus 2, and a vector magnitude is equal b magnetic vector. So find the value of y. How to solve this? So to solve this equation, answer for that. So a vector is equal 1 and y minus 1. So b vector is equal 3 and y plus 2. So magnitude of A is equal what? The magnitude of A is equal this, the square root of 1 power 2 plus y minus 1 power 2. So for that, the magnitude of B is equal 3 power 2 plus y plus 2 power 2, then square root. As the condition, H magnitude of A is equal to the magnitude of B. So it means that the square root of 1 plus y minus 1 power 2 must be equal to the square root of 3 power 2 plus y plus 2 power 2. Okay, so how to solve the rational function? So when you putting two by squaring two by two sides, or when you put the square for two sides, there is no change of this equation. So we can simplify the roots and the roots. So this is equal 1 plus y minus 1 power 2, which is equal 9 plus y plus 2 power 2. So then this is equal what? 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4. So because this is the binomial expression. So when you eliminate the bracket, you get 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4. So according to that, so we want y square minus 2y plus 2 is equal y square plus 4y plus 30. So then is equal what? So when we move this y square by y square, this simplify this and that. So minus 2y plus minus 4y is equal 30 minus 2. Minus 6y is equal 11. Y is equal 11 over minus 6. So this is the value of y. So it means that the value of y is equal minus 11 divided by 6. This is the value of y. So remember to subscribe. If you have the question, ask only your comment. Thank you.